Hello everybody, in today's video I want to talk about airdrop topic and specifically about multi-accounts and the people who want to take an advantage, creating a couple of wallets, it could be even 100 wallets, and try to take advantage of it and multiply their earnings. And I want to talk about the Optimism blacklist and filtering for Sybil attack, as well as some solutions how you could check the wallet if it already blacklisted or not. So why I decided to make this video a couple of days ago, actually it was yesterday. I did put in my Telegram channel that there is opportunity to mint say Dusk NFT, and I was very excited doing it. I was not able to do it myself because the mint was closed already, and there is no option to be on time because of high traffic, and it seems that it's mostly like farmers and bots. So I decided to make this video and show that it's potential blacklist for those who are making some bots or some multi-account activities. So for example, for Optimism it was about 17k addresses excluded from their airdrop because of this activity, and they're making this global filtering criteria shown in their official doc, so it's free information. So as an example, they did their NS bot catching proposal for those who are voting for snapshot.org website, and they put it here like, are you human, please don't vote on this, and all addresses which were voted actually in here were blacklisted. And they did put this spreadsheet with 17k of wallets which were blacklisted for layer 1 activity, layer 2 activity, or some community reports as a reason. So if you're doing something like that, so feel free to check your wallet, and here I will put the link in the description below. Plus there are some tools you could use. The first one is debunk, because it's already something I talked in my previous videos, how you could use it to maximize your earning, checking other wallets to see what are best wallets are doing. So actually good video to check. I will put the link in the description below. And also if the account is bad and have some fraud activity in here, it will be marked as Sybil in here, and it will be this tab. So I just check one of the wallet from Optimism airdrop filter list, and they have this mark in debunk, means that anything those wallets are doing going forward, they are not receiving any airdrop rewards, and it's just better to forget this wallet and start the new one for those guys of doing such things. And this is first way how to check the wallet. And also it is as detective for website. I will also put the link in the description below. It is actually layer 1 activity checker, and let me check this specific wallet and show how it works. So you put the wallet in here, and it will show you all the connections to other wallets and how it was make any transfers in here. Let me try to make it bigger. If it works. So you could see any dependencies with other wallets. And once I did check another wallets connected with this suspicious wallet, it was marked as also Sybil one. So if you're using one wallet which is already marked as bad, so most probably it means that the second wallet also going to be blacklisted from all the activities. So be careful with this. Don't do any activities with people who are not kind of trusted enough, but at the same time, for example, I just did put another wallet from activities in here. This one is good, but still it has some probability also to be blacklisted going forward. So just be careful with such things, and when you're doing decided doing or not, please be careful and at least check your activity and making sure your good enough with what you're doing. And yeah, like it is actually all I wanted to share with you guys today. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.